Good PM. Today is Saturday, January 20, 2024, and here are the 3 p.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sur 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Saturday, January 20, 2024. Here are the SL Sur 3 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for Saturday, January 20, 2024. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for Saturday, January 20, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.